Do you want to learn Python? Then this is for you. This is the first episode of Python video series. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Python, usage of Python, and finally how to set up our environment for it. Without further delay, let's go to our video. Python is high-level object-oriented programming language. It was developed in 1989 and released in 1991. It's an open-source programming language, which means anyone can use it for free. It's also available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS, so you can do programming in any platform. Python is very popular programming language nowadays, because it has a huge community, and also it's very easy to learn and use rather than other programming languages like C languages and Java. Python is widely used in IT field. Python used in artificial intelligence and machine learning, web application development, mobile application development, game development, automation and testing, and also it used in hacking. Before start programming, we need to install Python in our computer. To do that, go to your browser, search for www.python.org and hit enter. Now you will go to website like you need to download Python from here. So go navigate to download section and you will see lot of options to download. Here you can see for Windows, for Mac OS and any other platforms. I have Windows, so I download for Windows by here. Okay, now Python downloaded correctly, so let's go to install it. Okay, here you can see our Python setup. We can install by double click on this. Please note that we use Python 3 for this video series. So I'm going to double click and install it. Then click on run. Click here, add Python 3.10 to path. I need to install this in different location, so I am going to use customized installation. This location is good for me, so I am going to click install. Okay, now Python has successfully installed. In next episode, we are going to start programming with Python. See you in next video.